In this video, I'm gonna show you how to set a vivid mode on your iPhone 17 Pro Max. Simply just open camera, press on, and follow this section. Not showing it to exactly set up to filter. So close, open settings, go to camera section. Follow this. So as you can see, not showing it to exactly camera to vivid filter mode. So when you take any photo, like I'm take this photo and open my gallery, press on, and I'm using to vivid filter. Press on filter, showing it to vivid filter. So I'm not using exactly camera mode to vivid filter, just using to already taken photo to make it vivid option. So this iPhone 17 model feature.